What's going on, guys? This is some funny moments from GTA 5. My first time actually is what these clips are from. My friends are kind of jerks in a way where you live stream and they're like, oh, well, I know how to screw this up. I'm just not going to include my audio. Even though they say they don't do it, they do that all the time. And it's really freaking annoying because you can never get any content out there. So I just took the clips that it's least, suspectable, I guess, of it. But most of this video, there's a whole bunch of people in the party, but only one person is heard. It's me and my friend Gold. He's the only one that included his audio. Everyone else was silent. No one else included their audio, even though I repeatedly told them to include their audio in my recording. So yeah, that got me a little mad. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, I'll see you there.
Dude, this car is so much faster than the cops. Dude.
Oh,
Chill out. You almost ran us into a freaking ocean.
It's not my fault, this shit's fast, okay? So, ooh, there's a motorcycle. You can take this guy. I'm taking a motorcycle. I hear shit!
I just shot him in the butt.
Okay, you're a whore.
Goodbye. Fine, here.
Ah, shit! Ah! I'm being chased! Shit!
So am I. Alright, I'm gonna follow you.
You already know where I'm going.
Where are you going? Actually,
Give me the damn car!
they're not gonna find me here.
I got it! I'm gonna die! Shit. What's what car I get? What's the car I got?
Lambo.
Yep. I'll be waiting.
The cops are
for
just
you.
ignoring me now. Don't worry,
But
I'm
you're
gonna
not
wait
the
for
one
my
being
stars to
chased.
fade away. I was. Oh, there's my hat. Ooh. Alright. Come on. Down.
Might want to stay down here for a little bit.
They're surrounding us, genius. There's a guy above us. A knife? Wait, you can buy knives? I honestly don't have a knife.
Bitch, ah!
You're terrible at running people over.
Yes, I am. Yo, we can talk about this. Fuck off. Don't want any trouble. Fuck off. I said fuck off.
Okay, alright.
I said fuck
alright.
off.
just gonna walk this way.
Oh shit. I warned you. I didn't want to do it. You made me.
I need to get. Ooh, there's a golden car over here. I'm gonna take it. Take this golden car. Yeah, there's a dent in the road. I don't freaking.
Oh shit, no! No shit!
Wait, is there
I saw that shit, you piece of shit. Bitch. Ole. How are you getting up so fast? What the fuck? I see you with that axe.
I'm trying to get rid of it. I don't know. Oh, okay, I found out how. Okay. Alright, I found out how. By the way, it was a hammer. Wait, let's see if you can have two people on the motorcycle.
Of course you can. Oh no! Hold up. You might get hit. Hold up. Ah, no. Never mind. I got hit. What the fuck, man? Why you trying to knife me? Fuck you.
Nothing. There's nothing going on here.
Bro, fuck you. This is not gay. What we're doing is not gay.
You have a pink shirt on, and I'm hugging
This
you,
is
and my arms are
not
going through
gay.
your butt.
Don't
My
worry
arms are going
about
through your
it.
butt right now. My arms are going into your butt right now.
This
You
is
can't see this.
normal.
Like,
This is totally normal. Fuck you.
ow.
I saw your character fly.
Wait. How do you point? How do you point? Wait, how do you point? How do you point? How do you do that? How do you point? Oh, you guys drove straight through me and disappeared.
Bitch. Whoa! Oh god. Buddy, I bought a new weapon. Look at my weapon. Look, I bought a new weapon. What the fuck? You get? What the? You? Tate, you lied to me. I thought you said you're gonna kill. Now you tell me, really?